Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find the sum of n natural number. Okay, since we are dealing with the scheme Lisp, so we are going to use Dr. Racket. Okay, so this is our Dr. Racket. You can install it from internet and run your program along with me. Okay, and okay, so our target is what? To find sum of n natural numbers. Okay, so we are going to find the sum of natural number. Okay, I hope you know how to define the function. So let's say our function is let's call it just sum. Okay, sum, and this is our number, how many numbers we have. Okay, so this is our function has been just defined. It has one parameter. Okay, since here we have to write whatever the operation we need to perform to find the sum of n natural number. Okay, so how will you do the sum of n natural number? So you have n. Okay, then you can add what? N minus 1. Okay, then you can add what? N minus 2, like this. Just you are adding like this, and if it reaches to 1, then after that you have to stop. Okay, after that you have to stop adding. Okay, so what is your base case? So our base case is, what is our base case? Our base case is when n equals to or less than equals to 1. Means when n is less than equals to 1, then just stop this, and we have to consider 1, so we have to put here 0. Okay, or you can write like this, less than 1. Okay, when n is less than 1, then just return 0. Okay, or whatever is added, those things just return. Okay, so here we have to put one variable in which we are going to store. Let's say it is total. Okay, so initially we are going to start it with 0. Okay, so here let's say our another parameter is total. Okay, so we have two parameter, n and total. We are going to provide n, and value of total initially 0. After that, doing the summation on all those things, it will return the sum of n natural number. Okay, so here our base case is what? We are going to use if statement. Okay, so what we are going to check here, if n is equals to n is less than 0, it means first we have to put here 1, then n, then 1. It means what? This means, let me just write it. This means n less than 1. Then what we have to do? Then just return total. Since initially our total is 0, keep in mind we will provide total initially 0. Okay, then just return 0. Okay, 0 means total. Okay, then just return total. So here if n is less than 1, then just return what? Total. Otherwise what we have to do? Otherwise we have to do summation. Okay, so initially it is 0, total initially it is 0, so whatever in total we are going to add n minus 1. Okay, I understood. So initially we have a total equals to 0. Okay, so let's say then we are going to update our total plus n. Okay, or if n is added, then just do your n minus 1. Okay, so here we are going to, since we are starting from 0, so we are just we have to add this n. Okay, so our total will be updated from total plus n. This will be what? 0 plus n. This will be, this we can write as n. Okay, so here what we have to write? Here we have to write plus, we are doing summation here. Here we are doing summation. Okay, you can see we are doing summation. So we are going to add total, and in that total what we are going to add, we are going to add here. Okay, so here okay, we can see here if we see here, then we have n and total. Here we are just going to update this total. We are going to just update this total by total plus n. Means if n is less than 1, then return total. Otherwise, call this function again, and in that function just update this total. Okay, so here we are just removing this, and what we can write here. Okay, now we, here what we can write here, we can just call our function again. Here we can call the sum again, and what is n will be, but n will be updated by minus 1. So here it will be minus, then n, then 1. Okay, this means n minus 1. And another parameter we have, that is total. This n we have decreases by 1, and that n we are going to add here in total. Okay, so what will be this total? So second parameter will be just increase. So here we have total and we have this n. Okay, so here we have just updated our total, and here we have updated our n, and overall here we are calling our function sum, and after that this if statement is this recursive function will return something, and that will be, we can find from here, we can calculate from here. We have to pass here some parameter. Okay, so we have to pass this n means let's say 10, and total we have to start it from 0. Okay, so here what it is saying, here we are going to find the sum of first 10 natural number. Okay, then let's see what is the answer. Okay, I hope no errors, no parenthesis mistakes. So let's run it. Okay, it is throwing some error. Okay, oh sorry, we have to pass it like this, 10 and 0. Now I think it should run. Okay, see here it is 55. Okay, so it is 55. Okay, so this way you can write function to find the summation of first n natural numbers. So this was the today's lecture. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. Okay, bye.